Is your BMW 330i key fob not working reliably? It likely needs a new CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through the process. First, locate the keyring attachment or side button on your fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the case. Be careful to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up, plus. The 330i fob typically has a two-piece plastic case that clips together. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's firmly closed. Finally, test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and case closure. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, ensure the battery is a reputable brand like Duracell or Energizer to avoid counterfeit batteries. Also, make sure the battery is properly aligned within the case. For older 330i models, water damage or worn-out cases can cause issues. If the case is cracked or damaged, consider resealing it with silicone to prevent moisture ingress. Avoid using metal tools, which can cause short circuits. Dispose of the old battery properly as hazardous waste. Remember, the CR2032 battery typically lasts 1 to 3 years. If problems persist, consult a BMW service center.